Ben has 10 Y stems and Z has 2 Y stems. How many stems must Ben give to Z so that they will have an equal number of stems? Leave your answer in terms of Y. Okay, so first up, let's draw the model for this. We know that Ben has 10Y, Z has 2Y. AKA, this is trying to tell you that Ben has 5 times as many as Z. So for Ben, you have to draw a bar that is 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And Z will be, okay, remember to draw the starting line, very important. Always make your model as neat as possible. Okay, and Z, just draw 1 bar. Okay, so this entire thing, we'll label it. This 10Y, this one will be 2Y. Okay, now, the question is actually asking for how many stems must Ben give to Z so that they have an equal number of stems. Let's find out, right, for them to have an equal number of stems, how many stems do they need by themselves? So, we have to add up the 2 stems together. So, 10Y plus 2Y equals to 12Y. Then take 12Y, divide by 2, and that will give us 6Y. This tells us that eventually, after Ben give don't know how many stems to Z, they each must have 6Y. Okay? So, which means that for Z, from 2Y to become 6Y, he must have 4Y more. Okay, so this means that for Ben, he must give 4Y to Z for them now to be the same. Okay, so how many stems must Ben give to Z? Very simple, just take 6Y minus 2Y. Okay, the original 6Y, sorry, the eventual 6Y minus the original 2Y, giving us 4Y. Okay, simple, right? So remember, always draw out the model, rationalize through the entire question, label as many as you can, draw the model neatly with the starting point clearly indicated, write down your working, and then you'll be able to get the answer. Okay, done.